Hello, this is the second of the canvases that I'm doing today in these colours. I've already done a small one, a little 6-inch canvas, so I thought I would now just do this slightly bigger one and do it slightly differently, a bit less colours, so that we had a little bit more blue and a bit more white. So I'm just really just going to put some of these colours into the middle here, and then put the hairdryer on it to blast them around a little bit. I haven't put a cushion in the middle at all. I've just left that bit of canvas bare, and then once I blow over the white and the dark and move it around a bit with my hairdryer, hopefully it will go over into the white and the blue but still leave quite a lot of white and blue there. And then I'm hoping that it will just fade into it that little bit but still leave a lot of that, because I want there to be a colour in the middle but not so much. I don't want it to take over the whole painting. I do want there to still be a lot of the white and blue left. So the colours that I have got on here, this one is a sky blue. There's no shimmer or anything in there. I've already used a turquoise, which again doesn't have any shimmer. I have used a phthalo blue that again doesn't have any shimmer to it. This one is a cobalt blue. This is a Deco Art shimmery one. So I'm hoping that with the shimmer going onto the phthalo blue and the white background, that will look quite nice as that spreads out. I'm not taking it right up to the edges because I'm going to pour some white and some blue over there anyway. And then this is a Amsterdam white. They're all mixed with Floetrol and water, all of them, and they're all mixed up to the same consistency really. And they don't have any silicone in them. I'm not such a fan of the silicone. I have used it with different things, but I find myself that the cells sometimes can go a bit spotty. This is Liquitex Gold. I'm going to put quite a bit of that on because I think that will look nice when it goes over into the blue and into the white as well. So that's just about the amount of colour that I want to put on, because I know that by the time I blow it with a hairdryer it will spread quite far. So I'm going to put some white down one side and blue down the other. Squeeze out the last of this little pot. Might just make up a tiny bit, just a tiny bit. A little bit of Floetrol. A little bit of Amsterdam. water. Oops. That'll be just enough. And then put the blue on this side. Let's hope we have enough to go across here. Just about have enough on that side. Yeah. There, so that's got that on. So now, I think I will just blow the hairdryer over. I think that's a little blue dot there, but never mind, I'm sure that'll be fine. So from there I want to just gently tease it out a little bit. Without making it go too far. I'll try this little hairdryer. Sometimes it's alright, sometimes it's not powerful enough. Well, that's looking okay. I will get rid of that little dot. What I didn't want is for it to go, I call it cabbagey. It's nice with some paintings for the edges to go really cabbagey. When I use my hairdryer on the fast setting, it really blows it all out, and that in some circumstances is lovely. But for this one I didn't really want that. I wanted some more irregular shapes. So I will use my straw and just alter the shapes a little bit. I also don't want to make it look too angry, and sometimes if it's too pointy it can look a little bit angry, but being blues and gold, I think that that shouldn't happen too much. It should be quite calming. Yes, and that was what I wanted with the dark, to be able to have the shimmer going over the dark. And with the gold and the cobalt blue and the yeah, I think it's just those two that are shimmery. Yes, they are. Those should make it quite nice. Yes, I'm happy with how that is looking. That is what I had in mind. I wanted to have lots of blue and lots of white still showing, and then just this strip in the middle that had the lovely colours shimmering through it. And I like it to be kind of symmetrical. Let's see how that's looking. It is a little bit. I could do with a bit more colour there, but I don't think that will be quite so easy without just dabbing some on, and I don't want it to just look like a blob. So I could just try to see if that any of those will move down a little bit, which they might do. Yeah, that's better. Didn't need to be a lot, just that little shimmer really. Just move this out slightly. Yes, just move some of that blue over to make it look a bit more symmetrical. I do like things to be symmetrical. So I think that that is fine. I'm quite happy with that. It is really what I wanted it to be. So I'm going to put the torch on that, and we will see if any little colours come up. So that's just added a few little kind of soft edges really. So yeah, yes, I think that is looking good. Yes, I am happy with that. So I will do my normal thing. I will let this dry for 24 hours or so, and then I will let you have a good look at that as it's drying, and you can see how the colours change and how it evolves, and we'll see what that looks like. So I will turn the camera off for now, and I will see you again tomorrow. So here is this little canvas, about 24 hours it has had to dry now. It's still quite wet in the middle, but the edges are looking drier. It's kind of dry to the touch around the edges. I don't think I said before, but this is 20 centimetres by 30 centimetres. So it's drying quite nicely. The blue has darkened off a little bit, which I'm quite happy with, and you can see the shimmer of the gold over the top of that, which is nice, and I like the way the white comes down over the top of the blue as well. And then towards the top with the white, it has those nice little ripples of colour going into it, with a few little kind of lacy bits. So yes, I'm happy with the way that that has come out. I just thought I'd let you see that after it had dried a bit. It just gives you more of an idea really of how it is. So thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching the little video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Hello, my name is Penny and this is Penny's Art Emporium. I hope you enjoyed watching my video today, and if you did, it would be very nice if you gave it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe, then that would be nice too. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.